Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafty weekend. Today, this is the Friday freebie. I have a funny feeling that I have shared this one before in the past, but I'm not entirely sure because I was browsing on my computer and I saw this page, but I'm not entirely sure. So if I did, I apologize. I'm not entirely sure. I shouldn't, but I might have, because normally I design my freebies in bulk. Yeah, so I spend one day designing all the freebies for a few more months and then I saved them in a folder. But I'm not sure because this was dotted around, but it didn't have a date attached to it. So I apologize if it's a duplicate, but it shouldn't be. Right, this page here is it's a lovely background full of, as you can see, butterflies and a lovely pink and turquoise like harmony. I quite like the contrast with the yellow and the green. Now this page here has been designed showcasing the Botanist Archive book. My digital books are books, in fact I think I got some in here. I haven't got them all with me, but my digital books are designed for beginners to basically have what kind of you need to start crafting. Like you've got backgrounds, you've got ephemera, you got tags, gift boxes, yeah, all different things, and each book has a theme. Okay, so I've got here the Shabby Orchestra, and at the end of each book you see all the collection. Now my books have been designed, as I said, for beginners, because again it's something that you don't have to buy loads of papers, because each book has got a fair amount of papers, I must admit, but not loads to feel overwhelmed. And each book has got a specific theme. Now this book here, I will show you now on my screen. This is the website, antoniomakes.com. So if you click on, actually I'm already on books, but click on books and this is what you get. So the Botanist Archive book is this one here. What you do for every book or every listed on my website, you've got two squares here. If you click on the second one there, it gives you a preview of all the papers that you get in the book. Okay. As I said, guys, this book for this week only, so from today, Friday, till the next Thursday, is on half price only. It's only £2, but only for a week. Okay, so get your hands on this book if you wish to do so. As usual, how do you get my freebie? As usual, guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this freebie. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, so I truly appreciate your love and support. Guys, I will meet you on my Facebook group. It's a very interactive platform, so you can share your project. And if you don't, you can see what myself and other crafters showcase. Get lots of like inspiration from one another. That's what I love about the group. I'm going to go. Have a wonderful crafty weekend. And until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.